So a little bit of foreshadowing. What was that? Oh, we got Joe now. Yes, I'm back. I'm back, and I'm always back with another hot video, guys. Thanks for watching this Japan series. Right now, still in Kyoto. And you know, actually, I found out that Kyoto is the third largest city in Japan. But they don't have a lot of the skyscrapers. So if you're looking for a spot to go in Japan that's not as fast as Tokyo, but not like some rural area with nobody in it, check out Kyoto, man. Check it out. And I heard it's the fashion capital of Japan as well. So maybe that's why everybody is dressed like a mannequin going to the grocery store around here. And before I forget, Ohayo gozaimasu. Ohayo gozaimasu. Beautiful day in Kyoto. This is outside of the city center where I think where the Tokyo, the main train station is, Kyoto Station, all that. Whew, these bikes becoming extremely close, boy. Extremely close. And again, this is how you get your drinks at the vending machines. They have the touchpad. A lot of them do. Some of the older ones don't. But you see that touchpad right here. And you can touch it with your Suica card. It's gonna be time to get something to eat real soon. Okay, that is what it looks like from the bottom. And I don't know if you can see all of this, but yeah, I was kind of feeling like a Jedi Knight when I put this on. Here we go, here we go. Tell us about your outfit. Here, what was the inspiration behind this?
I did blue because I wanted to match with you. You know, it's not the same blue.
All right, let's see it.
I feel like I'm out of breath because she put like 2 pads underneath here. She tied it. She pulled it in a couple of times. Now I just feel like I'm just out of breath. And it's hot out here.
Let's see what it looks like from the back. All right, got this thing right there. Beware of manners on sidewalks. I did feel like a Jedi Knight when they put this on, man. I felt like I needed a lightsaber or something. That's all I need to complete this outfit.
Ready?
Alright. Thank you. Alright, thanks. Don't forget about the push button. You want fish too? Yeah, guys looking at us in the back here. They're looking like, what in the world? What in the world? People have been walking by smiling, especially the older people, older Japanese that walk by smiling, and I can kind of tell it's kind of taking them back to maybe like their childhood or something. So and even one guy was like, "Oh, very good," and he just gave me a thumbs up. So it's cool, man. It's cool. It's cool. If you come to Tokyo or Kyoto, anywhere in Japan, really, make sure you at least rent a kimono. Pay respect to some of the culture and customs that people have. You know, it goes a long way to your, overall understanding of life and, how other people think. Which dude was this on Mortal Kombat, man? Somebody tell me. Anyway, I don't know if I properly ended the vlog yesterday, but just gonna end it right now. And Japan, it was nice. Arigato gozaimasu. Arigato gozaimasu. I will be back, and stay tuned. Hope you guys like these videos. Stay tuned for more videos. I have some more travel adventures coming up very soon. Very soon. I will fly there. So that's it for now, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.